How to enroll your HP Remote System Controller to HP Remote System Management. To enroll your HP Remote System Controller to HP Remote System Management, you will first need to ensure that the firmware on your controller is version 24.04 or later. To check your firmware version, click on RSC Settings on the left side of your screen. Your firmware version will be listed under the Details section of the Remote System Controller Settings page. If you need to update your firmware, scroll down and select Firmware Update under Operations. Next, click the Check for Updates button and follow the update instructions. The firmware update will begin automatically once the update file is downloaded. The update can take up to 10 minutes. You will be logged out of the controller when the update begins and will not be able to log in until the update has finished. When the update is complete, log back into the Remote System Controller and select the RSM Settings button on the left side of the screen. Next, click on the Enroll button under Remote System Management Settings. A window will pop up informing you that you will be redirected to the HP Remote System Management web portal. Select Confirm. At the HP Remote System Management web portal, click the Sign In button in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, you can create one by clicking the Create Account button. During the account creation process, you will be able to create the name for the organization to which you will enroll your remote system controllers. Once your account is created, log in with your account credentials from this sign-in screen. Upon signing in, a verification code will be sent to your email account. Input the code to verify your email and log into your HP Remote System Management account. Once you have logged in, you will be able to select the organization to which your controller will be enrolled by selecting from the drop-down menu and selecting Confirm.